Hey, it's Justin with filmora.io, and I've got a really quick tip for you. If you are traveling with a bunch of SD cards and need to back them up on a hard drive but don't have a laptop, the Kingston MobileLite is what you need. The MobileLite allows you to transfer footage from your SD card right to your hard drive through an app on your iPhone. It's a really quick, easy process, and it backs up all your footage and frees space up on your SD cards. Another great thing about the Kingston MobileLite is it actually doubles as a battery charger. So you can charge your iPhone or other smaller devices on this when you're on the go. So if you want to learn more about how this works, check out the link in the description below. For more quick tips, subscribe to this channel and join filmora.io, your YouTube creator community.